Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we are continuing the series Beyond the Roots with our special guest, Jimmy Got Soul. And right now we're just picking up where we left off saying...
I don't think we told anybody, but we're actually in Long Beach, which is funny how we got here. None of us live here. None of us live in California.
Exactly. So
it's funny.
Yeah, we probably should just tell them. We just met up in California. This is my first time ever in, I'm staying in LA, so yeah, it's
it's first
cool.
time here?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were here before.
Oh, I was in San Diego.
Oh, San Diego?
Yeah.
Oh, you went southern.
I've always wanted to go to LA, and you gave me the excuse to actually be in LA.
Oh,
so I was
cool.
like, yes, LA and Gunther and Candace the Great. This is crazy.
That's cool. Yeah. So what is your next journey you plan on doing, or what are you going to present to the world, basically?
So I've been going back and forth with myself with I want to go through the journey of actually growing half of the sides of my hair out.
Oh, okay.
And you see I'm all bald right now, so you can see where I'm going back and forth with myself, because I'll probably be into it and yeah, I'm growing it out, I'm doing it, blah blah, and I'm just I don't like the way it looks, I'm just gonna cut it off. So I'm trying to get my locks on I guess 85% of my head. Right now it's 50, so I want 85% locks. And that journey, it started, stop, and then, but that's really what I want to do. I really want to get to that. It's like I said, it's hard sometimes. It's hard,
no,
but
it's definitely hard.
I'm gonna eventually do it. It's only for the look that I want. I want to be like yours, actually. Yours isn't all the way. Mine's literally at the top.
Oh, because yours is a legit high top fade. Because my head, I actually kind of pushed mine up too, just recently when I gave myself a tapered hairline.
Yeah.
But yeah, mine used to drop down and go pretty low.
Right.
But I actually brought it up some.
Yeah. So I basically want mine exactly how yours was, because I think it looks cooler.
Yeah. It actually I really like the way mine looked because it formed my head the way, and it's different for everyone's head. So
yeah, for sure.
To get it the way it forms your head and it just looks perfect.
Yeah.
That's a huge thing.
No, for sure. It's I don't know. I think because I cut my hair in this to begin with, I was just I wasn't really thinking. I was I want a high top. Went to the barbershop. I want a high top. Give me a high top. So I got a high top, but then that's only because of the style I had back then. I was just doing a curly, if I have a picture, I'll send it to you so you can show them.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it was curly high top, and it looked cool, especially if you wear hats. But then when I got locks, everything changed for me. I was like, I shouldn't have cut my hair this high. I should have put it a little low back here, let it drop down so it can hang down more in the back. I don't know, I just wanted it a specific way.
Yeah.
And it just feels like it's too late, and now I have to do a journey of actually growing it out to meet the length of this hair.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's gonna take
probably
time.
my whole life. I'm 22, so maybe at 30. Yeah.
For it to almost match. So that's the tough part, because I had the same issue with what you're dealing with. It was right when I started my dreads, the first set.
Yeah.
I immediately wanted to grow out my sides, because one of the biggest inspirations I had of starting my dreads was Jaden Smith's.
Oh, for sure.
And because his were just super clean.
For real.
And you can kind of see how I got inspired by that.
Yeah.
But so he started growing out his sides right away, and then he ended up getting a high top fade later on.
Yeah.
But so right after I started doing, I started out doing towel rub and then crochet hooking and everything like that. Once it locked up, I was like, I want to grow out my sides. And then I ran into the situation with you. It's it's not going to match, or these aren't going to be locked.
Yeah.
And it's just going to be awkward. That's a real awkward stage.
Right.
But, I mean, if you start now, it's just stay committed. And that's a big thing. Commitment is a huge thing with dreads too.
I'm dreading it. I'm dreading it. Didn't mean to say that, but I really want to, but I swear to you, man, it's not gonna look pretty. It's not gonna look pretty. So I'll probably do it when I buy a big enough hat to cover my whole head.
Just a beanie, just a big beanie.
Just a big old beanie.
Get one of those I don't even know what they're called.
Like one of those huge sombreros, but like
There you go.
that goes
I
all the
wasn't gonna
way
say
over
that,
my
but-
chin. They probably don't make those. Hey, make those.
You can
Those
make
are
them and
cool.
sell them.
You're right.
Anything
right.
sells.
No, I'm joking.
One thing that I have noticed of having dreadlocks and not having them, like after I comb them out, I've noticed two different things. And
What?
it's with dreads, it's so easy to commit to growing your hair out
Oh, for sure.
because it's just like you're so focused on the locking process that you're not
Yeah.
worried about how long they are, like them
Yeah.
growing.
Yeah.
But now that they're all combed out, it's like I feel like I've done all these hairstyles, and
Yeah.
then I'm like, all right, what next?
What next?
So that's where I hit the point of like, all right, I'm ready to do this next journey.
Exactly.
And yeah, it's just so much easier to stay committed to a hairstyle or stay committed to growing hair out if you have dreadlocks, just
Yeah.
because your focus is somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's easy for a lot of people to be like upset, like when let's just say you like comb your 4-year dreadlocks out. A lot of people will be upset, but it's like they probably don't understand that it's like here we are probably at this length, new in our dreadlock journey. Some people are like starting shorter and they're like, why do you do that? What's wrong with it? But it's just like, it just feels like you've done it already. So it's like you're ready for something else.
Yeah.
But we would never understand that because we weren't there yet. So it's just like, they're gonna see like,
Yeah, because I never thought I was gonna get there. Like, if
Exactly.
you watch my old videos, I talked about, I have these for like 25 years or whatever, however
Yeah.
long. Because people always ask me, how long are you gonna grow them?
Yeah.
I would always say something silly like, I'm gonna grow them all the way to the moon.
no, for real.
But it's like,
No, that's the goal. That's the goal.
but yeah, I think the biggest thing for me is I just wanted to grow my hair out, no matter what the hairstyle is. But it's like, I think I might cut my hair, honestly.
You heard it here
Maybe.
first. You heard
Maybe.
it here first. like, are you saying like cut your like hair like all of it?
Maybe. I'm not anytime soon though.
Okay, yeah.
I just want to throw that in there, and give people a little Easter egg.
No, seriously. I mean, I feel like even if you cut your hair, like you've done everything. Like you're just doing stuff now. Like
Yeah, I'm
That's
figuring
cool.
it out again.
yeah, just chilling.
I think I'm just like turning this big boat,
Yeah.
trying to get everyone to stay on.
Exactly. No, seriously. I think when you cut your hair, like shave it all off, I'll do the same.
Oh wait, really?
Yeah.
Just get everyone to do it. We'll hit up
I'm gonna
Knotlocks
actually
and
just get everyone to do it. Like once Gunther shaves his whole head, we're all gonna do it, right, guys? Right? Right?
we're in this together.
Right? No, seriously.
And what's the biggest issue you ran into with the whole dreadlocking process, whether it be like family, friends, or just the whole process or anything like that?
Yeah. I get a lot of like, I guess I don't know how to word this, but there's a lot of there's like a lot of people who would always ask me because I work at Starbucks, so everyone compliments my hair all the time. But then after a compliment, they're just like, but doesn't it like get all smelly and stuff? I was like, doesn't yours get all smelly and stuff? No, I'm joking. I'm just like, no, like I keep it clean. Just keep your hair clean. Why would it have to smell bad? I don't know. I guess it's like a personal like thing, but a lot of people like will assume stuff about it.
It's
and
just a stigma that comes with it.
Yeah, and I'm just like, if only I can educate all of you.
Yeah.
But
That's what we're trying to achieve through these videos.
that's what we're trying to do. Like we all gotta stick together because they think that we stink, man. Like no. I think that's like the only like problem I've run into. Like a lot of people say that they have trouble like in the workplaise. With their
How's
locks.
Starbucks with that?
Yeah, Starbucks is really lenient with that. They probably could care less. I haven't run into that problem, so I'm thankful that Starbucks is like that. But if a job told me to cut my locks just to work there, I would probably be like, deuces, because I'm not doing that. So it's not that deep. Because like at the end of the day, you're growing it for a reason. It's your reason. Before I even met whoever you are. So yeah, I don't think it's that deep.
Yeah.
So, but that's like the only problem I've had, just the assumptions and everything.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this episode with Jimmy Gasol. There's more episodes coming out with her because we sat down for literally an hour filming this interview, and there's so much good content and so much that we talked about. So please stay tuned for the further episodes. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and these episodes are going to be coming out quick. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting, so stay tuned. But yeah, make sure to go subscribe to Jimmy Got Soul if you're not already, and don't forget to go check out greatlocks.com because everything we talked about in this video on how to get dreadlocks is going to be on that website on how to get them, as far as the products and the tutorials on how to do all this. But these videos are to encourage you guys during your locking process, or if you already have dreadlocks, just for entertainment. And it just means so much to me that you guys are supportive on this new series that I got going on. Beyond the Roots is going to be something huge, so I'm super glad that you guys are here now. But in that, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.